To clean up your disk for update and temporary files in Windows, you don't need to use any third-party software. You can use the built-in disk cleanup tool. Click the Start button and search Disk Cleanup. And you want to open this program as administrator. You can click here or right-click it and select Run as administrator. And here you can select the drive you want to clean up, and for delete temporary files and update files you have to select the C drive. And here are the list of files we can delete. It includes Windows Update Cleanup and temporary files as well. Once you have made your selections, just click OK. And other than that, if you want to analyze your hard drive for large files and duplicate files, use this software called Vistry, which you can use for free. And it will help you identify large files and duplicate files on your computer.